TiLites, it's Tiffany. How you doing? So today is another outfit of the day. I am headed to work, so I am a little bit dressed up. I feel like, yeah, I'm a little bit dressed up. So here is, first of all, let's give a shout out to this Diana, okay, y'all? This is my full, oh, it's so full and big. I love big hair, y'all. Look, after my flexi ride set, I did not re-curl them. I just put a bonnet on, and I just took my rat tail comb and just picked through it. Look at all this. And I could stretch it more, but I decided to just leave it like that. So anyway, so here are the earrings from Six from my haul the other day. Put that up here for you guys to see. Click on that. This is, I love this. It's a vest, and it has 3 buttons. So it opens like this. I got this from, I believe I got this, everything I have on is old right now. Okay, so I think this came from Charlotte Russe last year. And I love this brown leather belt on the side belt, on each side here. And then this mustard is a cotton top I got from Body Central. Back when they existed, y'all, along with this bracelet here. It's cream and gold. Oh, actually, I think I got this cream and gold bracelet from Six. It's in another one of my jewelry hauls, okay? Then, oh, I forgot to talk about the fur on this vest, though. Yes, and this is a sweater material. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. It's so warm and cozy. Very chic looking. And so let's talk about these pants. Came from where did I get these pants from? I want to say I got these pants from Charlotte Russe. I'm not 100% sure where I got these pants, y'all. It was it's either Charlotte Russe or Rainbow, one of those two places. And then let's talk about these boots. I think maybe I should start here. These are not part of the boot. They're the socks, the warmers that you put over top of your boot. And it's inside, actually. I'm wearing it on the inside today. These boots came from Burlington Coat Factory. And I got them last year. And I love the gold on the side. It's like a gold buckle on the side, as well as the cute gold dangly zipper. And these are, and I love the actual belt that goes around. And these warm socks, these things here, I believe I got these from either Burlington Coat Factory last year or Body Central. I want to say it again. I don't recall, you guys, but anytime I say Body Central, they don't exist anymore, but that's where I got them from. Well, a lot of my stuff is old because I really haven't shopped for myself, but recently I have it, so yeah. So this is my outfit of the day. Tell me what your favorite pieces are. It may not be the outfit, it may just be this hair that's giving you life. All of this Diana, baby, okay? This natural hair is doing it today. Yes, I love it, I love it. So thank you for watching, and tell me what your favorite pieces are. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Remember to hit the subscribe button and that little notification bell beside it so that you can be made aware of when I upload my videos. And you all have a great day, and shine bright, TiLites. Thanks for watching.